Good morning, 11A. This is Monday morning, and I'm welcoming you here to Bio 11A. Our journey begins. So I've already had a couple of emails from some of you asking about the zebra assignment. That question that I'm sending out to you is without research. It's whatever you think at the moment, right now. And I'm going to ask you that same question at the end of the semester, and we're going to see how different that is. So just respond with the knowledge that you have right now. You're not expected to know a whole lot. I wanted to share with you that I went hiking this weekend to, it's called Rancho del Oso, which is by Morgan Hill, and I posted some pictures of that because it's really beautiful. And you'll see later that you get some extra credit for going on hikes, for getting out there and seeing biology, seeing nature. I'm excited about this beginning. So you start with the modules. There is module 0, which is sort of to get you started. And we start on module 1, which is actually work this week. And welcome to all of you. Keep in touch. Let me know if there's anything that needs my attention. And we're on a super great journey. So welcome to all of you.